Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing 50 essential personal finance and investment tips for beginners. These tips will help you build a strong financial foundation and invest smartly, so let's get started. Tip number 1. Start saving early. Even small amounts add up over time due to the magic of compound interest. Tip 2. Set financial goals. Whether it's buying a house or planning for retirement, having clear goals will keep you on track. Tip 3. Create a budget and stick to it. Monitor your income and expenses regularly. Tip 4. Build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in case of unexpected events. Tip 5. Avoid unnecessary debt. If you can't pay for it in cash, reconsider if it's something you truly need. Tip 6. Start investing early. Even small investments grow over time, so don't wait. Tip 7. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets. Tip 8. Educate yourself about different investment options. Stocks, mutual funds, real estate. Know what suits you best. Tip 9. Keep an eye on your credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better loan options and lower interest rates. And finally, Tip 10. Be patient with your investments. Wealth doesn't grow overnight. Give your investments time to flourish. That's just a sneak peek. We'll cover the remaining 40 tips in upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss out. Thanks for watching. Remember, financial success is all about making smart choices. Until next time, stay financially savvy.